Hello guys, today let's see how to unfollow Instagram followers who doesn't follow us back. Go to the website, the link is given in the description. And you can download the trial version for free. You can check around this website. This combi tool is really a useful one. It's an Instagram marketing tool. You can do a lot of options with this. See what's included in with this tool. It uses machine learning to analyze the user and it automates the tasks. You don't need to do every time manually. That's the plus point of this tool. Repetitive actions automations. You can automate the tasks. You can manage multiple accounts. It helps us detect who doesn't follow us back. Instagram doesn't provide any options natively to find the users who doesn't follow us back. So we are using a third party tool for that purpose. And log into the Instagram account. If you have any process settings, you can give those process settings in the option in the given below. Just give the username and password and sign in. Once logged in, you can see profiles, search, users, tasks, stats. You can see all the posts that you have made in those accounts. You have to go to users. You can see all the users, following users and your followers. Combine is loading now. It's loading the users from the Instagram database. Let's give it some time. While we're waiting, we can see the filter options. There are various filter options. You can read, like, comment, private, save. You can filter only those users. You can sort users by name, date followed, followers, posts count. These options are not available natively in Instagram. And you can filter by gender and region. And the language and number of followers. There are so many filter options as well. You can filter users using this. Now let's wait for the Combine to load the users. Now I'm going to following tab. This all tab gives the all users who we are following. The followers are the users who are following you back, and the not followers are the people those who doesn't follow you back. So we are going to unfollow them. You can see the list. These are the people those we are following and they are not following us back. You can search specific user using search user. Now you can unfollow them each user separately, or you can select multiple user. So you can to unfollow a single user, select it and click unfollow. It will automatically unfollow in Instagram. Combine has integrated with Instagram. If you want to unfollow multiple users, you can just select them, click control and select, or click shift and select to select multiple users. You can select as number of users you want. So if you want to select all, you select this option, select all. and all you have to do is unfollow them. There are different options as well, like you can like the last post, you can comment the last post, you can give those users a last chance to follow you back. Like if you have comment their last post, there's a chance they might follow you back. So Combine gives those options as well, like liking the last post and commenting the last post. For now, we are gonna unfollow the users. Click the unfollow button and wait for the Combine to run the task. You can click the prevent button in the system sleep control option. The Combine will prevent the system from sleeping so that it can run the task. Combine doesn't unfollow all users at once. It gradually unfollows each user, because unfollowing all users at once will make Instagram look Combine bot, and it may block your Instagram account. So there are 29 users unfollowed. So go to tools, preferences, and limits. Here you can change the speed of the task, intensity. The default value is optimal. You can change it to safe or risky. Changing it to risky will execute the task faster, but it increases the risk of your account block. Safe is very slower, but it helps you from save you from the Instagram account block. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel.